Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening the Cannon Blaster from the Hot Wheels Workshop Track Builder series. Set's a little bit old, from 2014, but I recently picked it up in a toy store very cheap. I'm looking forward to adding this piece to our track day tracks. So just some different ways to set it up there. Oh look, see, that's a whole heap of the track all set up there. It's got that Total Turbo Takeover set in the middle there. That's unavailable now, but I'm actually going to make it with pieces that we already have. So you'll have to wait and see that video when we make the Total Turbo Takeover with other pieces, and it's quite easy to do, so you should stick around to see that video when it comes out. So yeah, pretty cool to get these little pieces to add into the track days. Again, it's got that perforated back on the box, pretty easy to open. Just quickly get it out. Wasn't expecting many pieces. It's loosely packed as expected. Little instruction book, a couple of stickers there. It's not too hard, and you see the pieces, it's not that hard to put together. The instructions make it look a little bit complicated, but it's actually not at all. And being an international box, this has got a few different languages. So you can see the track suggestions that they're giving you. It doesn't come with any extra straight pieces or the turns. So if you were expecting that in the box, you needed to look at the box carefully because it has only got the Cannon Blaster section. So it's actually a piece that you cannot use alone. You can't just pick this up with the car and start playing with it. So these are all the pieces that are in the box. That's it, like 6 pieces I think that was, nothing. Not many at all. That's it. Alright, so I've put it together here, put the stickers on, and you can see it's pretty simple. It's got that cannonball sitting in the cannon there. Easy to load. The car hits that yellow trigger that it's sort of sitting up off the ground there, but you'll see why it's a little bit higher in a moment when we activate that trigger. And that just sits in there quite loosely. It doesn't stay in, so that could fall off if you're not careful. So you activate it with that trigger, the cannonball gets fired out, and you can see that little drop-down trapdoor for the car there. So that's pretty cool. It's sort of like the car will get hit by the ball. So I've set it up with the stack-up spiral starter set. We've used that car that came with that set just to test out the cannonball. See, that cannonball shot up really high, didn't even aim at the car. So thought we'd try it with the next car. This is the MR11. We've opened this in the Hot Wheels garage. Set him up there on that spiral stacker, get a bit of speed up. Again, safely down on that trapdoor, the cannonball fires over the car. So now we're going to try this little Ford Fiesta. Load it up. Watch it go. Nice fast little car. There we go. Didn't even pass the activation point, so we'll just give that one more go, I think, just to see if we can get it to work. Just watch it go again. Yeah, no, not heavy enough for that activation point. So let's watch it close up. When the car hits that thing, there, the trapdoor pops down, the cannonball shoots out. Now that cannonball is always going to shoot upwards, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to hit the car and sort of knock it off the track or what. It seems like that's never going to hit the car. And you can see here, it's a little bit hard to reset. Doesn't always want to work properly. Alright, let's watch it in slow motion. We'll see that again. Let's watch the car come down, hit that activator. See, the cannonball flies so high over the car, it's always going to be safe. Alright everyone. Let me know what parts for the Hot Wheels Track Builder system do you have, and big thumbs up, comments down below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone!